Hi, welcome to MGF 1107. Over the next couple of minutes, I'll walk you through how you can access the e-text and also MyLab Math directly through web courses, and that's using the First Day program at UCF. First Day is a great program because it saves you as a student money, and it also makes it super easy for you to access the software you need, MyLab Math, and also the e-text directly through web courses. The book that's going to be used for this course is Excursions in Modern Mathematics by Tannenbaum, and the textbook as well as the assignments will be available through the modules link in web courses. There's two very important things that you must do before the end of the first week of class. Number one, go into web courses, and this is where you'll click on modules, and you're going to have access to the e-text in MyLab Math through the modules tab in web courses. You also have to click on course materials. This is where you can opt in at a very reduced price if you're going to stay in the course for the rest of the semester. But you have to do this before the deadline of January 16th. So step one, sign into web courses. On the left-hand side, look for modules, and then off to the right you'll find some links to MyLab Math or the e-text. This can be set up differently depending on how your instructor has set up the course. The very first time you click on any of the Pearson links, the MyLab or the e-text, you'll have to agree to terms of use and click continue. And then for the rest of the semester, you'll always come back to modules to access any of the e-text or the MyLab assignments. Step two is look for the course materials tab, and that's on the left-hand side as well. Once you click on it, you'll see a button that looks something like this, and this is where you opt in. If you opt in before the deadline of January 16th, and this is the absolute deadline, you'll pay $61.24. This charge of $61.24 will go directly to your student account, and it shows up as a digital course fee. So just to walk through it step by step, you click on course materials, then you click on opt-in, and please note that you will receive an email directly to your Knight's email address confirming that you've opted in. Triple check this email. Make sure that you've opted in, especially if you've changed sections, because if you drop a section and then pick up another section, you'll have to opt in again. If you have any questions about whether you're opted in or not for a particular course, contact the bookstore directly. They can look in your account to double check. Also, remember, you're opting in per course. So if you've already opted into biology or physics, you have to opt into this course as well. So what happens if you miss the deadline or you don't opt in? Sometime after the drop add period, you will lose access to the MyLab links. So you'll lose access to the e-text and all the MyLab assignments. This will happen sometime after the drop add period, probably the first or second week of class. You'll know it's happened if you didn't opt in when you click on the e-text or the MyLab assignment and you see a screen something like this. The only thing you can do now is if you want to regain access is go to the bookstore or to the bookstore website and purchase access. So you'll lose access if you didn't opt in sometime after the drop add period. You're going to go to the bookstore or the bookstore website and purchase access. And please note, it can take 24 to 48 hours before your access is regained. Here's some links that can help you navigate to the bookstore, and I'm sure these will be posted as well. You can go to these to their website links, or call them, or simply stop by the textbook area of the UCF bookstore. If you need help with Pearson materials such as the e-text or the MyLab, this QR code will hook you up with us during the first week of class via Zoom, and we can help you out. Also during the first week, if you can't connect with us on Zoom, scan this, and we will and you'll fill out a brief form, and I'll email you back or connect with you. For the rest of the semester, and even through the first week, remember there's 24/7 Pearson tech support. Live support is available from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Via phone and chat. So you can reach this by scanning the QR code or by Googling Pearson Technical Support. Keep in mind that most technical issues can be resolved by yourself, simply cleaning your cache and cookies. So go to this website or scan this, clear your cache and cookies. At the beginning of the semester, it's not a bad idea to update your browser settings, and you can always reach out to tech support. I know you're going to have a great semester, but if you have trouble, please let us know. Thanks.